Here's how to use conservation of energy in physics. This shows how all the potential energy has transferred into kinetic energy, and so the total energy at point B is just equal to 1/2 mv squared. Now by the conservation of energy, this total energy at point B must also equal the 173,000 joules of total energy at point A. So all that's left to do is to solve for V, which gives us a speed of 65.8 meters per second. Now looking at point C, when the roller coaster has regained some height, this means that some of the kinetic energy will shift back to potential energy. Writing out our expressions for kinetic and potential energy, we will add them together and again set them equal to the total energy at point A. All that's left to do now is a little algebra, and you'll see that the velocity at point C is 34.5 meters per second. And there you have it. That's how to use conservation of energy in physics.